Hey folks, Michael Daniels here. I wanted to just touch base with you. Today we have a show. It's going to be a pretty cool show. We're going to talk about 3D printing. Kind of cool. Something I don't know a lot about, but I do know that there's some cool stuff that's made from it. So we got a good guest on, one of our community members. He's going to come on and talk to us about 3D printing. Now this is something that I had made, and this is like a little stand that angles and sits on a table that I could put my iPad on there and it would not glare. I could keep it just out of the light. I could give the measurements on this and get it exactly right. Now, this is something he designed for me. And if you notice, he put the little logo right on there too. That was kind of cool that he could do that as well. Lots of cool stuff that you can do with 3D printing. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So I hope you join us. And if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to give a thumbs up. Also, leave some comments and come join the show if you can. Thanks, everybody. Bye.